This 2017 Roadtrek Zion SRT is a Class B RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Roadtrek is 19 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 3, smoke detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, LP detector, awning, external shower, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2017 Roadtrek Zion SRT is built on a ProMaster 2500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.